so this is bag 1. We're done with that. Okay, so we finished the second bag here. We're gonna go ahead and mount this to his back. So it looks like this is gonna be the front, mimicking this right here. This should be it, as we can see the L pieces coming off right here. Gotcha, so this is it. There we go. This is the front of him. This is probably the back. Let's go. Okay guys, so we got this next piece, so we'll snap it on. Looks like it's like this right here. There we go. Just like that. So, there we go. It's coming along together. That's what it looks like. Standing up. There we go. Alright guys, so we finished the other side here, and it's time to clamp this piece on. Okay, come on. This is really sketchy. Oh, there we go. It's looking like so far. We'll move on to the next step.
I just like always.
Okay, so we got the last side, and I think we get to work on his head and his arms now, right?
Body.
Oh, body. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and let's move on to the next step. Alright guys, so it looks like we finished off his little arm. So now we're gonna take the body and we're gonna attach it here to these holes. Ooh. Oh, he has an arm. Okay, and we'll continue on with the other arm. Okay guys, so we finished the other arm. We're gonna go ahead and stick this bad boy on here.
That's so funny.
Cool, y'all. We'll go ahead and move on with the next bag. So,
Oh, that was in it?
okay guys, so we finished his head and his mouth. Here's his mouth opens up, ears fold down. Alright, so now we're gonna stick it on the head of his head. Kind of show you. So here's our dog, and then there's Juno's body. He's like half the length of him, but like, yeah, like half the size of our dog. Thank you, Juno.
Yes, thank you so much.
But here he is, laying down. All right, we'll move on to the next bag. Final piece. We just want to say thank you for hanging out with us this whole video. You guys can check out our YouTube page, subscribe there, and follow our Instagram page to see more builds. We literally have a ton of Legos that we just bought, and it's gonna be crispy just like this bag. Oh yeah. We're nearing the end here. Okay guys, so his head is now complete. So here's his noggin. His mouth moves right here. Ears go up and down. Oh, he's sad. Happy? There he is. Cool. Alright, so whatever. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and stick the body, or the head to the body. Huh. There goes. Head moves, I guess. His head moves back and forth. And his head turns on his body, which is pretty cool. So he can straight up be like looking at you. Oh, Baby Yoda! Whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna make the ball. Disco Yoda, look at him. He's so cute. Holding the ball, he's twisting it. Oh, look, no hands. Oh, no hands. He can't, you know, got him, homie. Look at him, looking at you, dog. Magic trick, dog. Look at that. Oh, snap. Oops. Okay. Why does his head move back and forth?
I know, it's so cool.
This is weird. His little ID card. Blue guy. And there you go. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and show you this set. So this was the Lego Baby Yoda, the Mandalorian, the Child Lego set. The Child, 1,073 pieces. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, Jules.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Sweet. See you guys on the next one. Nice.